Civil danger warning. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Mississippi state government. This is not a test. The Skinwalker that was in Smith and Scott County has grown larger. The new size of the Skinwalker is now 45 miles in width and 8 miles in height. If you are within 20 miles of the Skinwalker, seek an underground shelter now. Gather supplies such as food, water, medical supplies, a battery-powered radio, a charged phone, and other essential supplies. If you are spotted by the Skinwalker, run as fast as you can to an underground shelter. However, if you are caught, you will be unable to escape. Once this creature catches you, he will rip your skin off, eat it and rip you in half. This is a highly dangerous situation. We have also found the reason why this creature came out of nowhere. As it turns out, there was a Skinwalker underwater that has produced a Skinwalker. However, it died after producing the Skinwalker. The Mississippi government is trying to find a way to kill this Skinwalker, but it is not guaranteed that there will be a way to kill the creature. Stay tuned for further information about this highly dangerous situation.
The WLBT 6 p.m. report is next, and a former high school coach is arrested on charges of sexual misconduct involving one of his students. Governor Haley Barbour answers some burning questions about Medicaid, and a South Jackson homeowner is fighting a stinging problem.
You're watching the WLBT 6 p.m. report.
Good evening. Maggie is on assignment. In tonight's news, topping it, Hinds County Sheriff investigators charge a teacher and
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Mississippi state government. The Mississippi state government have found a way to defend yourself from this creature. The only way you can defend yourself from this creature is shooting it with incendiary rounds. This, however, will not kill it, as it will only stun him. Also, the Mississippi state government have found the motive for this creature. Its motive is to go to the Yellowstone supervolcano and cause it to erupt. However, it is unknown how it will do it. It is advised that you stay on high alert and seek an underground shelter if you are within 30 miles of this creature with essentials. It is also found that the creature is killing in other ways, such as using its tentacles to stab its victims, stepping on people, and crushing its victims to death. This is a highly dangerous situation. Stay tuned for further information about this highly dangerous situation.